What is going on? Now, what is going on? What is that? That is awkward. Anyways, guys, if you see this, report it right. Say, call Roblox and say there is a glitch in Wolfpack's game. Please, what the? I'm out.
I'm so scary in Brookhaven because somebody throw us.
What the skibidi toilet? Nah!
I'm so scared. Is this
This is a weird glitch.
Guys, quickly. Guys, when you see this?
Okay, I'm out.
Guys, don't play Brookhaven.
Guys, just don't play Brookhaven for now. I think